My name is Mamata, lecturer in economics. I am going to teach economics for class 11 and 12. अखोइना previous class ता agricultural reforms की मातांग दा खनखरे ngashina अखोइ green revolution की मातांग दा खनसे अखोइना independence फंगबा मतमदा 75% of the population चे agriculture दा depend तौरंबनी अदुगा productivity दो मतमदा दा productivity was so low कदोबई नो हाइबदा अखोइ old technology सिजनबा अरगे farmer अयामबना अखोइ infrastructure से मसी फजना फंगमदबा मरम असिननी अना colonial rule की मतमदा agriculture दा stagnation ले अदुबो agriculture दा stagnation ले रंबसे green revolution ना लोइना अचौबा अहोंबा अमा पोरखरे अन्ना agriculture दा stagnation से मसी लेइत्रे अनोंगासी green revolution हाइबसे मसी की मतंग दा फसना खनसी so अखोइना what is green revolution हाइबसे अहानबदा खंगेजे Green revolution refers to the large increase in production of food grains resulting from the use of high-yielding variety seeds, especially wheat and rice. Green revolution da technology da high ribasi akoi gi chathok leiba maru sijanaraga akoi food grains yamna hengat hanbado adu buneba aduna akoi kamaina tawbano habdo green revolution gi technology se masi hana amuk khangi seba Technologies used in the Green Revolution. Number 1, use of high-yielding variety seeds. Number 2, application of fertilizer and pesticide in the correct quantity. Number 3, regular supply of water. High riba home se pura formula ama in bagumbani masi technologies of Green Revolution ni akoina masi in ge harbadi ahan baga ani subasidang tauge have the high yielding varieties season rage aduga regular supply of water se taurage aduga fertilizer the pesticide se masi to oge ka haibase masi yade chap chana na home se ingadabani chathok leiba maru season naba number 1 adagi application of fertilizers and pesticides adusu correct quantity da masi season naba number 3 regular supply of water se masi phangadaba masini masidagi akoina khange madudi farmer amana akoigi SYV seeds adi high yielding variety seeds masi season age harbo di irrigation facilities phangbatare adagi magi financial resources se masi phajana leibatare kari dauna ba magi input sing se leina na ba especially akoigi fertilizers kumba pesticides kumba se masi leina na ba Masi mathangda akoina history of Green Revolution in India se masi amukhang seva India da Green Revolution se karamba matamdagi thokpa hogi bage kamai na tawbano karamba states da Green Revolution se masi thoki bage ka haibase masi gi history se amukhang seva Green Revolution started happening in India in the year 1967-68 in that year itself food grain production increased by nearly 25% India the Green Revolution talki base 1967-68 ni chahi du maktada aikoge food grain production cha 25% kaino tawgeba hengat pangam geba arong masi India da Green Revolution se phase ani thokna lakhi in the first phase of the Green Revolution that is 1960s and 70s masi ki duration sida the use of SYV seeds was restricted to the more affluent states such as Punjab Andhra Pradesh Tamil Nadu akoina Green Revolution che first phase da India da lakpa matamda karamba matamda lakhi ge 1960s ga 70s ge se masida lakhi adubu karamba state thoki ge haiba matamda India da akoige hanana paisa paijana agriculture da yamna successful oirba India gi states Punjab adagi Andhra Pradesh adagi Tamil Nadu haiba state chaun se masida Green Revolution se masi Okay, in the second phase of the Green Revolution, the mid 1970s, 80s, shigi duration, the SYV have the high yielding variety technologies spread to a larger number of states and benefited more variety of crops. aduga shina second phase the India gi atai state singda su sandokre aduga machina only wheat ka rice ka da nataba atai crop singje sidai da su green revolution se masi thokan ba ngamgre haba masigi matang da khoina what is green revolution adagi magi technology se karamba technologies no je khangre adagi India da karamba matamda green revolution se thokre haiba se masi khangraba gi matungda aikhoina achievements of green revolution se sidai da amuk lakshi what are the achievements adu yengasiko number 1 the spread of green revolution technology enabled India to achieve self sufficiency in food grains. We no longer had to be at the mercy of America or any other nation for meeting our nation's food requirements. Green revolution technologies na spread pagi matung ina India da food production se suki mate hengale madudi akoi se self sufficiency in food grain akoi gi isa gi chaba konana ba pothok chaba ngamjare akoi na khangi dungai nawai low productivity in agriculture lairingai da akoi se USA dagi large amount of food grains se masi import orambani adubu green revolution stop dagi di akoi USA bi oiro adagi atai nations bu oiro masida akoi na akoi gi chana bi da mo da depend to bagi darkar laitre sina number 1 achievement ni number 2 achievement da a good proportion of rice and wheat produced during the green revolution period was sold by the farmers in the market. As a result, the price of the food grains declined related to other items of consumption. The low-income group, who spent a large percentage of their income on food, benefited from this decline in relative prices. Aduna, green revolution stop the farmers nasu kado huge amounts of food grains masi market puthoga yon bangame masina maram oidana food grains ke price atai commodity singa yengna ba matamda tathare masina kamai tawe lower income group ta lejaba missing moige ayamba income se akoi gi kaino da food grains ta leibada season aba singse masi se price ta tharapade di moida yamna benefit che masi pire sina second achievement adagi third achievement da kamai tawe the green revolution enabled the government to procure sufficient amount of food grains to build a store which could be used in terms of food shortage haveni adna green revolution se sithopadagi di government na kamai tawre sufficient amount of food grains masi stock ta ahen bo oina paisan bangame masi kamai tawge haiba matamda akoi gi countries saida food shortage thoko matamda habdi natural calamities the flood obayai drought obayai ari famine thokoyai sigumba matam saida season na ba kaino se food grains government ahen boina stock to bangame ngameba so these are the achievements of green revolution sineba India da green revolution ki achievements adubo magi new technology se masigi su yam limitation yam lei anna koina achievements masi khangraba matungda limitation sing do adu su kari no haibado adu omu khangseba limitations of the green revolution in India. The green revolution in India has had serious limitations. Number 1 they angasi limited crops. Revolutionary rise in output is confined mainly to the production of rice and wheat only. Akoina kaino se green revolution thokhali ba crops se India da atai crops sing dai da adu hangna thon bangam de mase rice ka wheat kadane ba samna harga akoi gi jute gumba cotton gumba tea gumba ari pulses gumba se saidadi kaisu yam chang henane hengat hanbado adu ngamde ari number 2 se da uneven spread chine the spread of green revolution so is India gi state sing da uniform oina loin chap manana thokra have to thokte tho iba state sing se karam bano haiba matamda akhoi gi Punjab gumba Maharashtra gumba Haryana gumba Tamil Nadu saidadi yam phajana dum successful oigre aduga akhoi gi atai state samna harga eastern part of UP ar Bihar Madhya Pradesh Odisha ka hai se saidadi thokri moise thokon na ba darkar leiri ba sida kaino sida green revolution che adagi third limitation sida limited farming population have say green revolution relies on the use of expensive inputs and intensive irrigation. Even when inputs are subsidized, these seldom reach the poor farmers. aduna green revolution thokan ge habdi masi darkar leiri se yamna atangba input sing darkar oire adagi irrigation se ma dum phasana season facility se masi phangba sima darkar oire aduna kamai to ge habda input sing se even subsidized rate se da farmer sing da phanghalaboi su kamai to ge da karamba makhan gi farmer sing da phangge haba matamda akoi prosperous oba farmer sing do aduna adum phange akoi gi yam po farmer sing se machine di adu khakna masigi facility se masi phang de haba aduna green revolution gi benefit se kanana phange haba matamda india da di adum rich farmer khaktang na phang heba sina ahum suba limitation neba adagi mari suba limitation da muk yang seba mari suba limitation se da na economic divide ni no green revolution lak padagi kamain tawre rich farmer ga poor farmer gagi marakta economic condition khen ba se asum lak thora e adagi widespread poverty laire kai maram gi no have the ngasai benefits so rich farmer khaktang na phangbagi ne ba anna government da su kamain tawre small farmers sing se sin loan sing bangam da ba khotaba mayam se sigum ba thok padagi government na su loan do kok na ba kho na ba loan kok thok pa kai sigum policy ma su tawre anna government da su yamna huge financial burden na ma so these are the limitations of green revolution sina green revolution gi limitations sing duneba adagi sigi ek mathang da akoi na the debate over subsidies masi amok khana se akoi gi new technology se lakpa matam da farmers sing da subsidies piba se adum chathadana legidra nataga farmers sing da kaino se subsidies piba se lepadra haiba se hogi debate yam kanna tawne ba kharamna to odamni lepadamni haba kharamna adum chathagi gadabne haba ado masi chathage haibagi na kadobagi chatha doribano adagi chatha halargumsi hargana kadobagi chatha haloidoino haibado masi khanadringai mamangda subsidy haibase kari no haibase masi hana amuk khanna seva what is subsidy subsidy means supply of certain inputs to the farmers at lower rate than the market have never subsidies the high receive farmers since the inputs panghan ba se aseng ba my market ta leriba price do adudagi tathana phanghan ba do adu bune ba subsidy have se abna india da new technologies introduced to matam da during 60s se sidai da farmers since da subsidies pi kari no haiba matam da any new technology se am risky oina low ba farmers sing na aduna farmers sing se new technology se adopt to bada encourage to na bagi damakta farmers sing da subsidy se masi pi haba aduna akoi hojik khana godor bise farmers sing da subsidies pi base masi piraroi dabani haibase masi point se economics karana haire se amu khanar se ba number 1 da some economists believe that once the technology is found profitable and is widely adopted subsidies should be phased out since the purpose has been served shine some economists na haisna subsidy se moije piraba matung da technology se adopt ore madudagi phasana successful ore profitable ore aduidi subsidies pibagi purpose do sat ore and subsidies pibase to odabani haveneva number 1 argument se number 2 sna kamai tawe subsidies are meant to benefit the farmers but a substantial amount of fertilizer subsidy also benefits the fertilizer industry tasengna subsidies da piraga benefit phangada sidi farmers sing ne havni adubu sidi fertilizer yon ba industry se sina hena benefit phange havni kaino have the government na sukyamna kaino se akoi gi fertilizer se lei dorabni haiba ma moida adum leirabanina sum leirabanina fertilizer jo industry sing chu moina adum lepning ba price da lepaga hen ba border din the government pujagadam na aseng ba price na government na lerani adudagi lower price du dai da kaino na phanghan jabai wane ba government na farmers sing the phanghan jabai wane ba sumai to banina kamai to we have the akoi gi fertilizer yo leba industry sing ya shina bo hena benefit phangjale ba moi gi farmers sing chidagi and sina number 2 point ni argi number 3 da among farmers the subsidy largely benefits the farmers in the more prosperous regions therefore there is no case for continuing with fertilizer subsidies it does not benefit the target group and it is a huge burden to the government's finance. Ahum subda piriba pointsina subsidy enjoy to farmers sing che paisa pairaba prosperous regions the level farmers sing do adu khaktana adum phangdana leire aduna mase subsidy se fertilizer subsidy se masi sum pi lebe darkar leitre kaino low income group lejaba akogi laira jaba farmers to adu phangado bo group to aduna phangdana leire aduna subsidy sum pi lebe su government da yamna financial burden nama oireba aduna masi to adabani shini adagi number 4 dana subsidies beyond a limit encourage wasteful use of the resource ne subsidies a limit amadagi hena sum pirabadi akogi yamna atangba resource se wasteful lom da sidanare example ama pige akogi Punjab da farmers sing da free electricity se supply of free electricity se masi phanghanba matam se da moina kamai tawge haba non productive purpose da bo sidana khaleba samna har moi household gi ising lumbari na khangde adagi free sabako moi sidana ba mong da productive purpose nataba adum da sidana re ba aduna masina subsidy se people se lepadobani habagi mari shuba adugumba argument duneba so these are the arguments kainoni subsidy se people lepadoni habado madugi arguments sing aduga mathang da khoi mug yenga seba economics group amana nate subsidy se lepa yade habado adugi argument do adu mug yenga seba aduna subsidy se people se adum pigi gadabani habagi number 1 point se kaino the farming in India continues to be risky business, so the government should continue with agricultural subsidies. India the farming se adum yamna risky oiri samna harga adum akoi se regular supply of water gumba se leitabane if the monsoon come in time there would be a good harvest dum leiba aduga rain na matam sata lagna drought thobo khotpa smai tona wa ba se sigum bam ayam se wabna still risky oiribane na subsidies sing se adum pi kidabni hamni number 2 most farmers are very poor and they will not be able to afford the required inputs without subsidies India the ladiba farmers sing se ayam ba lai rabang hatani adna subsidies se Pidraboidi moina darkar leba input sing low but the chang ba machak sing do madu leba ngamoy haba are number 3 dana kamantore eliminating subsidies will increase the inequality between the rich and the poor farmers and violate the goal of equity she never subsidies se piba to avoid rich farmer ga poor farmer ga gi marakta lairiba khena base mase sum helani habadi rich farmer na sum richer oigrane poor farmer na poorer oirani aduna akoi gi goal of equity se mase violate to oina thokne haba aduna the correct policy is not to abolish subsidies but to take steps to ensure that only the poor farmers enjoy the benefits and aduna correct policy di kari oigadagi habada akoigi subsidy se muthat panatte haba policy ma phajana semgadabane karamba policy no habada akoigi poor farmers to aduna madugi benefit to adu phangadabani haba somda policy se semgadabane ba aduna green revolution debate over subsidies e masi nainagrabagi matungda akoina loisalakpada khangadawasi karino habada by the late 1960s Indian agricultural productivity had increased sufficiently to enable the country to be self-sufficient in food grains. This is an achievement to be proud of. 1960s isida akogi India ge productivity se masi asukumatik hengatle anna akoi se self-sufficient oire food grain da adubu atopa magi negative side mayam amalleiriba adusu amu khangseba negative side harage yango 1990 bhause sigi late 1990s bhausigi matam se da India gi machine agriculture da depend over se 65% se atum depend ori ana economics na high body countries na more prosperous oraba kandadi proportion of populations depend upon agriculture se masi handagadabani as well as contribution to GDP from agricultural sector se masi handagadabani haibaneba ado India dadi kamain tawre yenga seba So 1950 daina 1990 bahaushigi periods daida India da contribution from GDP se sidi yam decline tore adubu proportion of populations depend upon agriculture se masidi adu khakna handaba ngamdeba. Example oina harabada akogi 1950 da matam da agriculture da depend toramba percentage se 67.5 neba. Arga by 1990s se late 1990s da agriculture da depend toribasina 64.9 neba. Adu de sangaba chahi akoi 1950 daina 1990 bao habase 40 years neba. 40 years duration sida agriculture that depend torpa gi proportion handharai basi 3% bauba yaude haba khandana yeng seba adu arbadi akoi gi mi proportion khara khaktang na sufficient food grain puthoka da budu asuk yamba mi sing se adum agriculture that depend tau leri base masi kaidu waino akoi masi question se hangbai ai haba. The answer is that the industrial sector and the service sector did not absorb the people working in the agriculture sector. Karino answer the karino haiba matamda industrial sector amadi tertiary sector se sina agriculture dagi excess labor do adu absorb to ngamde haiba. Many economists call this an important failure of our policies followed during 1950 and 1990 shineva. Economists mayam amna hairidi aduna akoina 1950 daina 1990 bause sigi manungda akoina follow toruba policy se yam achobo failure ama oire haibase machine ba harise ana matang se da akoina kaino se green revolution gi matang divide over subsidies se masi loi khanagre aduga karam karam da phibam lege habdo madu khanagre masigi mathang da industry and trade se masigi sector se masidai da amuk yengsi ana economists have found that the poor nations can progress only if they have a good industrial sector hamni economists na hairi se country amna progress lege hai se karam kanda lege hai lege dage haba matamda industrial sector se masi am phajana chaukhot na leira kanda kano prosperous legadamni progress legadamni hamni maramdi kaino number 1 industry provides employment which is more stable than the employment in agriculture. Again, number 2 it promotes modernization and overall prosperity. That is why the 5 years plans place a lot of emphasis on industrial development. Aduna public sector ga private sector ga se shina India gi industrial development daida karam ba role loge habado adu amu khanasi ana public and private sector in the Indian industrial development shida amu gengsi. The decision to develop the Indian economy on socialist line led to the policy of the state controlling the commanding heights of the economy. This meant that the state would have complete control of those industries that were vital for the economy. The policies of the private sector would have to be complementary to those of the public sector, with the public sector leading the way. Akoi Indian economy de akoi ge kaino socialist line da develop torpanina industrial sector se masi develop torpa matamda state na magi high commanding role se masi logadabni hamni especially akoi ge those industries yamna maru oiba industries singdo adude completely akoi ge state na control togadabni aduga magi private sector haibadude state ki effort ta mateng pangba adumaina taugadabane haibaneba aduga akoigi anoba unit kumba establish toge harbasu akoigi public sector se haibade state na government na leading role se logadabani hako amna industrial policy resolution 1956 se mas set up tawre amna masigi matung ina industrial policy resolution 1956 se gi matung ina industry singse category hum thokna khaido number 1 category shida group of industries legani high river number 1 category the river industries masidi state khaktana control togadabne ba management su togadabne private sector amata yawa yade aduga second da second category sida group of industries legani masigi group sidaidana state na ayamba role logani aduga private sector na state ki effort mateng pangani aduga magi leading role di still kainona logani sole responsibility for starting the new unit se masidi adum state na togani aduga third category da group of industries legani aduga third category da labor industries singsi private sector singna private entrepreneurs singna moina loina tawba yagani public sector na masudai da yauroi third category da labor industry singsa private sector da loina linkhat pa ya halaboi so moise system ongi makha da kainogi state ki control gi makha da legani maroina akoi gi license system da anna industries no new industries was allowed unless a license was obtained from the government dagi hana license lodana industry amatta linkhat pa yade aduna masigi policy se akoi gi backward regions da industries se promote tonana ba neba samna harga se kana gumba entrepreneur na backward area da industry se linkhat ke harbadi license se yam line pi asigu sumathakta tax concession chupi adagidi electricity power gase akoi lower tariff ta sumaina pi heba masi purpose ti kaino habada regional equality se masi promote tobani heba ko aduda sida amu han establish togabra industry se akoi gi private entrepreneurs na moina expansion of output se masi towninga ba adagi diversification of production se masi towninga boisu kaino amuksu kaino dagi government dagi license logadabane ba hana moina establish togre hana moina hekta towning base towba yade government na phajana moina kaino se output se expand toge haibase expand tobase economy sida darkar lebra leitabra kaido yengjalaga expand tobase darkar leire hade yare hana license piba adagi diversification se darkar lebra ka haso yengjalaga leire hardi moida yahanba shineba masi tawri maram sna kaino habda khogi limited resource phajana maram chana seasonabdo any kind of wastage se masi tawdana baneba for today let's do up to this let's meet again in the next class thank you